Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about many of us we are interested in knowing how to lift the sagging skin without breaking the bank or going under a knife. So today I'm going to share with you 5 of these incredible tips that will really help in lifting up your face and making it more firmer. If you're a regular subscriber, you might be knowing that number one thing that I always recommend is doing facial exercises, and obviously they do help, especially if you are doing like lymphatic drainage massages, because what happens is we do have a lot of lymph and fluid collected around our face, which prevents the blood circulation happening properly. That could lead to stagnation of the nutrients. So when you do that massage, you're improving the blood circulation, bringing in more nutrients to your skin. So obviously it will be more firmer and it will lift up, and definitely will become better as you keep on doing the massages and stay consistent. Now, number 2, it's very important to take care of your skin. Like, you should be having a very strategic skincare routine. Number 1, retinol. We all know that you should be applying it after you are 25 plus, and that helps in boosting the collagen production and increases the cell turnover. Number 2 is using hyaluronic acid based serums, because they will improve the plumpness of the skin, because as we start aging, hyaluronic acid, which is naturally in our skin, starts becoming less. So अगर आप उसको externally supplement करते हो with a nice toner or a serum, that also helps. Number 3 are peptides. So they also help in boosting the collagen. They make your skin firmer. That's also something that you can incorporate. Next is vitamin C. Very important. Like, collagen synthesis में help करता है, builds the collagen, brightens your skin. So I know a lot of you keep on asking about good vitamin C recommendations, but आज मेरे पास ना आपके लिए एक बहुत ही unique सा product है. This is what I'm talking about. अब आपको लगेगा बाप रे, इंजेक्शन लगाना है क्या हमको घर पे? Not really. Look at the packaging. How pretty and innovative. The product I'm talking about is from the brand Dermaco. It is their 50,000 ppm vitamin C micro needle serum shot, which is the next big thing in skincare. Formulated with enhanced penetration technology, this groundbreaking serum, it's like a micro needling in a syringe. So कोई downtime नहीं है, there is no chance of infection, you don't need to go anywhere. Fused with needle-like spicules, sourced from marine sponges. तो ये serum जो है, it goes 5x deeper into your skin, creates like these small micro channels which enhance the absorption and maximize the efficacy of skincare products. 50,000 ppm vitamin C जो है, it will stimulate the collagen production and give you brighter, even toned and renewed skin. बहुत ही powerful antioxidant glutathione भी है. We all know that how powerful that is, and glutathione will help in providing you the protection, and it also shields your skin from free radical damage. वही सब नहीं इसमें, और पैंथेनॉल भी है which deeply moisturizes, और इसके साथ hyaluronic acid भी है इसमें, so it delivers like intense hydration that lasts for long. मैं थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा आपको रिमाइंडर देना चाहती हूँ, एक फ्रेंडली रिमाइंडर. तो ये जो स्पेक्यूल्स हैं, थोड़ा सा टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन होता है आपको when you apply it, but you don't need to worry. It's like totally normal, that happens. All the products from Dermaco are fragrance free and they are non-comedogenic, formulated with the help of dermatologists. What is amazing is that Dermaco has empowered 20,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. So every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate with the Bhumi Foundation. So you can use my coupon code RACHNA2025 for discount on Dermaco website. They're also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple. Next is nutrition and hydration. No matter what you apply from outside, obviously you need to take care of yourself inside. अंदर से if you're not eating healthy, then no matter what you apply, it's not going to work. So it's very important. मेरे को Number 1, I would highly recommend कि आप omega-3 ज़रूर आप लें. You can take it as a supplementation, or you could be having more flax seeds, chia seeds, or maybe if you are someone non-vegetarian, you could be having more of fish, because all of this is rich in this antioxidant which is omega-3. very good for making your like जो फेस का फैट है ना, वो कम होने लग जाता है as you start aging. So अगर आपके साथ वो हो रहा है, so start incorporating omega-3. इसके अलावा you start having collagen supplements, you have vitamin E, zinc, vitamin C, all of these in your diet too. Next one is very very important, वो है posture correction. I was watching this one video or a reel on Instagram where this lady was teaching, like her whole page is all about posture. So if you are sitting in a wrong posture for hours, you're definitely this all of these muscles are connected to your facial muscles. So whenever you're putting a lot of pressure on those muscles, everything will be pulled down and you will see a lot of sagging. So it's very important you do posture correction exercises, you stretch, and make sure that you're sitting properly, especially when you're watching your mobile and laptops. Fifth one is cortisol management. Now, our lives are really, really stressful these days. We take a Next one is very very important, and that is cortisol management, and that means cortisol is like a stress hormone. So जब भी आप stressed होते हो, it could be due to any reason, maybe emotional stress, physical stress, mental stress, तो आपकी body जो है cortisol produce करती है, which can lead to a lot of collagen breakdown. तो अब बहुत बहुत important है that you do meditation, you do yoga, breathing exercises or whatever. Like, do try having some kind of hobby. It could be anything. I like doing Sudoku. I even like knitting. You could do painting. You could be doing something, some kind of activity which makes you happy. Even sometimes I like binge watching Netflix and I feel that gives me like kind of happiness. That's not a very good way of releasing cortisol, but you could be having like developing some kind of hobby which will give you that happiness. And with that, make sure that you're doing deep breathing and meditation, because cortisol also is a big factor leading to premature aging. And lastly, remember that consistency is key. Whatever you're doing, just be consistent with Whatever you're doing, just be consistent with it. Whatever you do, it will take some time for you to see the results, because nothing happens overnight. It's like it takes years for you to see those changes, sometimes months if you're lucky, but otherwise it takes time. So I hope you like the video. Do let me know in the comment box what are the other things that you do for better fitness and better looking skin. I would love to know that. Don't forget to hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.